Presenting PetsVet, Pet Veterinary Management System for Santoseds Animal Clinic. The system will be used to maintain the process, information and scheduled appointments of the customers. This study will help to the current works relative to the veterinary management system. A renowned establishment, founded by the Santoseds family. This veterinary clinic is the second branch to be owned by our benefactors. The expert treatment and loving care for our furry friends has been running in their family, and their passion for what they do is what's helping the business bloom. The usual procedures that customers come in for are vaccinations, checkups and consultations. Currently, they prescribe products and manually update data and schedule for follow-ups. Customer compliance is the clinic's main concern, since there have been reports of medicines not being bought and patients not coming back for follow-up consultations. Issues that should be addressed: 1. Customer compliance. 2. Manual scheduling. 3. Communication problem. The general objective of the study is to design and develop a veterinary management system for Santoseds Animal Clinic located at 42 Ferrer Building, Hernáez Street, Barangay 36, Bacolod City. Specifically, this project aims to 1. Design a pet owner module, consultation scheduling and registration. 2. Create and update consultation and diagnosis records. 3. Apply confirmation module for pet owners' reservation. 4. Design and generate quality and relevant veterinary reports. 5. Develop a user management and access control module.